Boom. Hey, Bomba Cloud, do you? Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not forward from King Mix-Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that. I'm pretty sure you heard the alleged rumors. Yes. But you know them people I love sue people are blood clots, you know? They acting like they ain't fucking Jamaican. You see me? I say. But it is alleged that Popcaan and his crew got in a unruly altercation and some gunfire and some stabbing up business that are going on. You see me? I say. I didn't get the chance to check all my emails and DMs. I just went on the small thing. This is dancehall. We assume every blood clot thing until proven otherwise. You see me? I say. You don't know the thing said when a people business where I deal with, you know. Speculate. But me, I'm not informer. I'm not there to do the police job. You see me? I say. Info Mix-Up. What up, baby? I see you. People, this is breaking news. Hide my ID. Breaking news. Popcaan and his crew get into a fight at St. Thomas last night. It sounds like this nigga is trying to rhyme or some shit. But anyway, men get cut up and him and his crew put out gun a Sunny Hill pan him cousin, Unruly cuz. Police call person and end up a hospital. Please post for me. This is alleged. You know them people, I love blood class too. But you know all the things said. This is Jamaica and there's everybody a party with people. You see me? I say. Big up yourself. Info King Mix-Up just confirmed says true, you know? Yes. So the streets is saying it's true, but you don't know the things said with the media. You know what I mean? Hide my ID. Good morning. Breaking news. Popcaan and his crew get into a fight at St. Thomas last night. Man get cut up and him and his crew put out gun. A Sunny Hill pan him cousin Unruly cuz. Police call person end up a hospital. Please post for me. So, Info King Mix-Up said no, it's not true. King, I just heard it's true. No, she said it's true. Why? I'm confused. What's going on? Yo, the way King Mix-Up talk, you offer well entertain. Well, that's why I said I'm here to entertain the ladies, you know. But they are the entertainment business. You see me? I say, Info King Mix-Up says it's true. Okay, people. So tell me what happened in the comment section. Sis Media confirms it's true. Okay. I got a lot of credential people telling me it's true, you know. The vlogger them teeth it already, you see me, I said. Them the way them vlogger work, them not need for blood clot. Them just put up some different picture and ras clot. You see me, I said, but them can go and eat some food, you know. Remember, say me done rich already, you know, I'm not there. I say, you know, I'm the cash cow. I make everybody eat, you feel me? Yes. Big up yourself, Kareem sites. Respect for that. Yeah, people. The way all them teeth operate, yo. Missy Pinky post a Batman on our blood clot page. And when me see the Batman, I say, yo, the Batman I run off of my rascal jokes, my reviews, my fucking everything. And we put up something yesterday on my YouTube and I see the man them swipe it and put it. I say, yo, them people are teeth no blood clot, you know. Them people are teeth no blood clot, but yeah, what? These thieves keep on forgetting I'm not a vlogger, you know. And when my fucking head takes me the wrong way and I cross that line of no return, I'm going to start using my money and fucking these people to fuck up. Remember, say my phone call them different, you know what I mean? My money legit, you know. I have people on a blood clot lane. You see me? I say, y'all not feeding nobody. Remember that shit, you know what I mean? So I don't like people think they got away with getting away with something from me. So I'm not go and play with no blood clot self, trust me. People, remember, say a dancer, somebody is going to get beat up soon. Sooner than later, and it's gonna be on camera, and it's not because of me, you know what I mean? Yes. Anyway, back to popcorn business. Yo, people, I walk one. Yo. Why? How him song bother you? MC Mumsy, what up, baby? Who's in the comment section talking shit about me? Who in the comment section talking about me? Cause you know me not bun a spliff already, you know me not killing mood right now, you know. Anyway, people, that's what's being alleged. So it look like Popcaan and him cousin getting us some things and things. You see me, I say? You know Popcaan soon address matters. You see me, I say, you know what I mean? But that's just what it is, people. I just got up. Well, actually, I didn't just get up. I got up a few hours ago, you know. But I didn't feel like doing a review, so I just decided to go live, and I just upload my live stream on my YouTube channel. Oh boy. Papa, what up? The mix up, follow me. This is Apple Cancel Pit. Listen, mix up. The other day you come here, so you said this is Toya's page, you know what I mean? The other day you said this is Toya page, you know, like, boy, you really might be Apple, you know? Bella, what up, baby? Sandy K, I see you. Diamond, Alexia, what's up? First lady in the house. Yeah, big up some people. K Bark, what up? Trish Life, what up? Pauper, Info. Okay. Yeah, you know. Oh, you are Toya. Okay. Come just I said, me know you said. Me know you said that, you know, you was tired the other day, so now me see. Apple, me know me that get confused, you know? Oh, shit. Officially under Donnie is the comments from me. Good morning, King. What up, baby? Make sure y'all check out my comments on my YouTube channel, too, you know. Over there, so them not partial with blood clot people, you see me? How that? Miss Fierce and _ sexy C. Yo, reggae song, all them said I can't read that blood clot. I mean, I read everybody name right, you know, live. Nikki _ humble _ for sure 89. Yo, all them people say I can't read. I mean, I read live. King, that's not Toya, the fuck. Me, I rub out. Shit. King, you DM me last night. Yo, I was getting some pussy last night. You feel I'm saying? Yo, man, I dig out some vagina last night. You see me? Whenever I had a chance to check them DM, you know? Cha. People too bummer caught wicked pussy for suck. Whoa. Slow your roll. What's the big deal? Fishy business. How I forget but no. Well, in that order, you make sense, you know. Yeah, niggas sucking pussy is not gay, you know what I mean? But niggas licking ass, y'all are borderline motherfucking, no, fuck that borderline. Y'all niggas licking ass is gay. All of you batty washers. Oh, speaking about a batty washer, people, you remember last night? People, you remember last night we was talking about the toothless bitch? Who was here on the last live I did last night? Only y'all on the last live I did last night is gonna get what I'm saying. People, who was here last night when I was talking about the toothless bitch and I put up the picture with Aishana, this and the toothless bitch? Who was here? Let me see how much people there are, so let me take this thing off. Okay. You was here. Okay. Yo, I told you this bitch was desperate for a motherfucking attention. Yo, wanna go over another toothless bitch blood clot story right now. I told you this bitch was desperate for attention. Yo, the minute I mentioned this fucking bitch name, shit up. Yo, but I caught the bitch in a fucking lie, yo. Yo, I caught the bitch in a fucking lie. Dead ass. People, go in the toothless bitch comment section. Something with the post about them want to say body. Go in the comment section. Somebody said, yo, the toothless bitch did the body. And the toothless bitch responded, I that me want know. Toothless bitches, so good fucking manager came out and said, you did a Barbie makeover. Yes, toothless bitch. Don't fucking start lying right now, you dumb hoe. Oh, we giving you all the attention you need because you need the fucking help, right? No Spy, Shenseea, Jada Kingdom, King Mix Up. Who else I run the place, you know? Yo, this fucking bitch is lying, people. I told you yesterday that designer body is not claiming her body. You feel what I'm saying? Designer body, I post everybody they did 4, 5, 6 months ago, 2 years ago. Me say them I post up Shana Chin. You see me? I said, your fucking manager said that's the reason why you went to DR to do a Barbie makeover. You feel what I'm saying? Oh, dirty blood clot girl. I told you people, her body is fucked up, yo. Her body is fucked up. Her body looking like a sandbag. Her body look worse than how she went in before she went under the knife. Remember, say, she begged the blood clot surgery, you know. She begged the blood clot surgery, and the doctor was like, what? Yo, son. Then she begged to stay at the rehab place, and she disrespected the 69-year-old woman chef. Yes, people, my have links at designer body. Me know the chef at the designer body is a 69-year-old, you know. So they kicked her off the premises, and they put her in a hotel room, you know, for 2 weeks. So she wasn't getting no rub. She didn't get no faja. The bitch looked like a fucking sandbag. That's why designer body is not claiming her body. People, go on designer body page and tell me who you see. Bare girl body them do from last month, 2 months ago, 5 years ago, 2 years ago. Shana Chin, me see them a post up. They are not claiming that fucking botch body, you toothless bitch. Fuck out of here. You see, let me give her some hype. Yo, I bet you said these bitches gonna be on my name all day today, man. These bitches sweating me, you feel what I'm saying? Oh, you and Toya have up Apple Pick. You need help. Oh, you talking to, the mix-up people in the comment section. Yeah, the toothless bitch statement from me. Not a blood class statement. The bitch I informer, rascal. Bitch talking about she got money. People, right now, me can lose 8 of my blood clot teeth them and still smile. You see me, I said? Me have all 32 of my teeth. You see me? Me have all 32 of my. If me lose 2 teeth, 4 teeth, me can lose 4 teeth on one side and still smile wide. You see me, I said? This bitch can't smile past the 4th teeth. People, you know, the 2 big teeth are 2 teeth. The teeth them next to the big teeth them is our next teeth. The bitch can't smile past that. She giving some half-ass smiles, you feel what I'm saying? This bitch giving some half-ass motherfucking smiles like, bitch, why your face makeup so you can't smile? And when she do the half-ass fucking smile, the bitch look like a transsexual. She look like a strong nigga in the motherfucking day. So you know she looking like a hard nigga at motherfucking night, you know? Looking like a fucking, like a linebacker and all of these things. You see me, I said? Cha. Oh, people, sorry about that. It is alleged that Popcaan get in a gunfight with him cousin, you know? Up at St. Thomas, you see me, I say, Obealand, you know? Yes, a man get cut up and all of these things at Sunny Hill, you see it? Yeah, and them poor gun pan him cousin, Unruly cuz, you know? The same one who Popcaan say, yo, Unruly cause say want a $500,000 US. You see me answer? Yeah, but this is all allegedly. You see me answer? Cause me know enough circling for the news with Popcaan. You see me answer? You know. I'm not cursing nobody except for a toothless bitch, you know. You see me answer? Somebody send a tooth fairy to this toothless soul, you feel me? We just finished worship and pray. Father God, forgive me. No worry yourself. Me'll tell him for you, you know. You know, me and the Almighty are brethren. You see me, I said different cloth, you know. Me'll tell the Almighty, say, you're sorry. You see me, I said. Me and the Almighty talk all the time. I say, yo, Almighty, look how them kill your blood clot, son Jesus. Yo, them earthling are wicked no blood clot, you know. Yo, son, yo, me and the Almighty are par, you know, people. You see me, I say. Yeah, so me talk to my brethren, the Almighty. I say, yo, brethren, look how them murder your blood clot, son Jesus, and sling him up on Rascal Cross. Yo, them people are wicked no blood clot, hey. Me tell the Almighty, if me ever forward down to planet Earth with them people, yeah, me not partial with them a blood clot, you see me, I said. Nah, partial with them a blood clot. Who the toothless bitch king? She ain't nobody but a toothless bitch, you feel I'm saying? Ain't nobody but a toothless bitch. People, I gotta check some DMs, people. People, I didn't call the herbs man yesterday because, you know, I'm not an addict, you feel I'm saying? I'm not an addict, people. That's why I didn't call the herbs man yesterday, you know. Some people is addicted to these types of substances. You see what I'm saying? But I'm going to call him right now, though, you know. Yes. You see, I didn't wake and bake. You know what I mean? I'm not addicted to this shit, you know what I mean? I'm in control of the substance I put in my body, you know what I mean? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. See me, I say, King, my spirit don't take her. The bitch ain't nobody, don't worry. I just feel sorry for the hoe that she's doing everything in her fucking moment to trend and it's not helping, you know? Dirty ass bitch. Fucking never call my name again, you stinking hoe. With your fucking sand body, you know what I mean? But if you do body, you so good fucking man and just say you do blood clot body, bitch. Fucking liars, you know. Oh, them wants it body. Yo, this bitch was desperate for somebody like me to call her name, you know. King, please don't ever blaze it for one day. I stopped smoking the other day for like 5 days, you know. But y'all didn't notice that, you feel what I'm saying? I stopped smoke for 5 days, you see me, I said. I told you I'm in control of my habits, you know what I mean? Yes, we can go more than 1 day without smoking. Y'all didn't notice, you see me, I said. You feel me? Yeah, I'm not addicted, you know? I'm not an addict, you feel what I'm saying, people? Yeah. What was I doing when I wasn't smoking? I was counting money. You feel what I'm saying? I was counting money. I was counting money for days, people. Days. I know I'm not finished count a blood clot. I know I'm not finished count a ras clot. You see me? I say, only for faces, you know, people. Only for faces. But it's not about me. Wagwan. All happy unfiltered pictures is on there. Oh. What did I hear? Me hear something about the undocumented crew, you know, but I forgot, people. I forgot, you know. Anyway, people, tell me what's going on, you know. What's going on out here in dancehall? Talk to me. And before I end the live, you see, man, listen. This person. Let me see. Oh. I think apple salt. Somebody screenshots what somebody said about our friends. Let me see what I go on here, so. I told you this bitch was a hater. Nobody didn't believe me. King, oh, me know apple salt no rate a friend them. You see? Wait, hold on. Let me get a picture of apple salt. Sorry about that, people. Put up a picture of apple salt. You remember say people business bring us here, you know. And we're tired of dressmaker boy business. You see me, I said dressmaker boy, nobody right now. Right now, apple salt I run the place. You see me, I said. Right now, apple salt I run the place, people. Boom, see she there. Hold on a second. Let me hit this nigga back. What? Man. Jaja, people, Jaja. I be a idiot thing up on the rascal at least, you know. Jaja. Jaja. Fuck it. Idiot thing up on the rascal at least, rascal, man. Anyway, people, back to what we are saying now. Back to the DM that somebody sent me. Okay, the person said, King. Ooh, sorry about that, people. People business sometimes make you yawn, you know? People business sometimes make you yawn, so. The DM came in. I think Applesart hate them, and I'm going to screenshot a comment she answered what somebody say about her friends, you know. King, oh, me know Applesart narrator friend them. You see where the page name blank blank said all of them have their own taste, but the other two comment deleted. Sorry, me never screenshot it. The page said that name blank blank True has made a comment, said you have better taste than your friend, and you know what Apple answered and said, I would never done that to my friends, but she removed her comment. But boy, this is a long fucking DM, people. I can't bother read this right now, you know. Sorry about that, man. I have to screenshot it and post it, you know. While going with Papi, them said them shoot up him cousin and stab up some people at Sunny Hill, allegedly. And police involved, you see me? Yeah, we still have to wait for the details, though. You see me, Hanson? Yeah, people, I forgot screenshot that one day because I want that 2 blood clot long or ass clot. People business, we are deal with, you know, and the DM them full up of people business, so. Let me slide down to the next DM and see what's popping. Update. And the boss out of jail. People we yesterday done out of jail, you know? Yeah, update. We said Jay is out on bail. Next court date Monday, so he's staying over there. He described the jail as a prison and he hated it. They still staying in a hotel and we be there until his court date. Oh, you sent me a request? Okay, I'm gonna add you. Okay, I'll confirm you. Okay, people. That's the latest with Jay, you know. Them said Jay dey on bail. Him out of bail right now, and Applesart still at Hawaii. So you know that dirty ass bitch with the no edges. You know the one out giving happy endings, calling herself a S2M bitch. You out here fucking massaging balls for a living. You feel me? That's the latest I got with that. You feel what I'm saying? Let me see. Oh boy, King, me don't know. Oh, I can't listen to these voice notes right now, you know. too much people knows upon my lives, you know, so I can't least tell them DM right there, so you know. Okay, so people, it's official. The Don is out of jail. Yes. Jadon is out of jail. You feel what I'm saying? Let me see if the boss posts anything up on him page, you know. Yeah, no, Jadon. I hope say I know informal business I go on because your wife have a bad reputation out here, so you know. I'm not post up nothing in a blood clot. I'm gonna go back to my DM them, yeah. Oh, I go on here, so. Yeah. Oh, shit. They said people me can't read all that one day, isn't me? Some of them I have to screen the one in the king. I gotta take a shower. To go to work, can't lose my work. Yeah, hey, listen me. Don't fuck up the money watching me, people. Do not fuck up your money watching me. Because you know what, apple salt and then one with no edges say that I'm a beggar and one day I'm gonna have to beg you some money, you feel what I'm saying? Or a place to catch your site. So please, if you got work to do, go to work. You feel what I'm saying? Don't fuck up the money because of me. Don't fuck up the money because of me, cause I want to be able to beg you a thing, you know, on a Friday, you see me, I say. Yeah. Don't fuck up the money. Don't fuck up the money. Don't fuck up the money. Please. Do not fuck up the money from me, you know? Yes. Try get some headphones, you know? You can watch me while you're working, you feel what I'm saying? I make the work go by fast, you feel me? Yeah, I get the work, I let it go. No, let me shut the fuck up. People, I think I'm gonna start singing, you know? I wanna be like a rapper / dancehall artist, you feel what I'm saying? Yo, I got so much lyrics. Promotions. You want me, blood clot, promote your party, but you don't want to send me a money. And you know what my cash app is. You feel what I'm saying, my nigga? You think I'm just out here posting people's shit for free? Listen. If you don't want me, blood clot, the things we don't know our ass clot, man. I have to fucking send our money in my cash app, you know. I know some operate around here, so, you know. I know every day me give away things for free, you see. You're on the lowest volume and I can still hear you from my next office. Yeah, cause a nigga screaming, you feel what I'm saying? You see me, I say? When you pay your own bills, you can blood clot yell on the top of your lungs and all of them things there, you see me, I say? When you not contribute to the household, you have to whisper. You got to whisper. Oh, sorry, such and such is sleeping, you know they work late. Oh, such and such is sleeping, you know they gotta rest up to go to work. You know what? I'm gonna go live when everybody goes to work. You know what I mean? These are the same people that can't fuck out them girl hole at them yard, you see me, I say. People knock on the door, yo, keep the sex down, you feel what I'm saying? When you pay bills, you can't fuck out girl hole. You know what I mean? Y'all not have to shut up our blood clot mouth. You see me, I say, y'all pay bills and all the rascal thing. What you mean, man? Yo, y'all niggas better get y'all life together, B. Y'all niggas hating on me and y'all live in the same one-room shack with your moms, your girl, your motherfucking brothers and sisters, you know? Oh, somebody's in the bathroom, so I'm gonna take a shit in the sink. You know what I'm weird? No, I don't know if they gonna take a shit in the sink, but you know what I'm weird? You know, if I go take a piss in the sink, you know what I mean? Bathroom full up and all them blood clot thing there. Hey, listen me. Apple salt again. Yo, son. Yo, speaking about apple salt, people, yo, listen. Me see them a promote some party. Oh, shit, this girl looks sexy. That can't be your real picture. That cannot be your real picture. You see me, I say? Y'all them have some nice breasts, though, but not lie. Oh, me not talk apple salt. Me not talk apple salt and a lean breast. A leaky lean breast them. You see me, I say? You know, somebody send me a DM and thing. And thing. Yo, apple salt, yo, the name, the stick no blood clots. Cash Queen, what up? The name, the stick no blood clot, apple salt. Okay. King, well, King, we need to see the video of Diani, man. Yo, I'm so mad that I watched that video, you know? I'm so mad I watched that video. Look at Kev, blood clot. Yo, son. Yo, Diani, man. Yo. Cha. You know, if you know you're in the industry and you know that you have some, you know you people could pay me to suppress stories, you know what I mean? If you know you're in the industry, you couldn't pay me to suppress a story, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know, like, I'm sorry I had to post that ish about D, but you know, this is the streets, you feel what I'm saying? And we not industry, you know what I mean? The streets gotta eat, B. You know, Diani a millionaire and all these things, spending hundreds of $1,000 upon Madman Tony, big up yourself, the mad scientist, you see me, I say, Diani, you know. I like Diani, but people, this is the streets. You see me, I say, all spice get fling up around here, so when story are go on, you know. Spice owe me $1 million to her ass cloth, you know. If Spice, they give me my money, me wouldn't even run certain story with Spice, but the streets gotta eat me, you know what I mean? I got mouths to feed, you know what I mean? Ah, boy. People remember some of the $1.5 million loan for exports, you know, and the person follows me, you know what I mean? I can't believe you watch me every day saying that I'm going to drop the $1.5 million US PPP loan, people. The person follows me, you know what I mean? I'm going to drop the story. People, the person that got the $1.5 million US loan follow me. People, these loans make Apple Salt and J Icon look like some petty thief. You see me answer? It'll make them look petty. And you follow me. I don't know why you don't send me a 20,000 US. You see me answer? You know? Send me 9,000, then a 2,000 and I'm a cash app. You see me, I say, you know what I mean? Like, yo. Because I know when I drop this story, you're going to be in my DM. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm going to be like, yo, listen, I've been warning you for like a month now. You feel what I'm saying? The posts are up with the green frog. If I decide, you know, if you know you did something wrong the past couple of years, now's the time to hit up my cash app. You know, don't wait to see if the story's about you, you know. Don't go with your gut. Your gut is fucked up. You see me, I say? Unanyam bati and pork and ass out or ass thing on the system, you know what I mean? Like, listen, all I want is 20,000 US, man. That's all I want. That's all I want is 20,000 US not to release these documents. You see me, I say, people, You know, when you look up documents, you gotta pay for this shit sometime. You know, people, I got like 28 documents. You see me, I said. So, you know, I should be asking for 30,000, but, you know, this is the streets. You feel I'm saying? You'll take a lot of 20,000, you see. US. Yes, 20,000 US dollars, we're speaking, people. Make sure we get the currency motherfucking correct, you know what I mean? Because, people, if I do drop this story, you know, there's gonna be a lot of people investigating this shit, you feel I'm saying? And the greatest thing about this story is not alleged. That is the greatest thing about this story, people. It's not alleged. I don't gotta use a fake name, you know what I mean? I don't gotta use a fake name, you know? I'm going to drop the stories. That me I tell you, you see me I say nothing, say me nah drop it, I drop it a blood clot. All I want is a lot of 20,000, you see me I say. Don't worry yourself, me I gotta drop the story, you know. But I might not for 20,000, and don't think this 20,000 buys my silence, you know. This 20,000 just buys you time for the fucking year. Each year you have to give me a 20,000, you see me I said. Less story I got blood clot drop, you know. People, we're talking about $1.5 million US. It make opposite $20,000 loan look like chump change, you feel I'm saying? Yo, son. Can't say me never want no blood clot. The people them can't say me never want them the same way. Oh, blood clot opposite name pop up. Phone blood clot name pop up too. You see me? That's why it's no allegedly, people. You feel what I'm saying? And you know when the dots start connecting, it's, you know, like the IRS starts to look in and all of these things. You see, man, I said, people, listen, I just want 20,000 US. You can send 9,000 in you can send 9,000 out in my Cash App and send the other 9,000 out in my PayPal account. You see me, I say? Yes. I don't want you to go in my DM threatening me either, you know? Do not go in my DM threatening me either, because if I feel threatened, I might have to push a button. You see me, I said? Yes. If I feel threatened, I might have to push a button. And it's no snitching button. I just want to know blood clot know that. You see me, I said? Anyway, people. There, you know. Yes, and the PP name list is public for anyone. Yup, so it must be true. You can't send 9,000 through the Cash App. Of course you can send 9,000 to the Cash App. What is it, 9,000 or 6,000? Me don't know, you know, people. Me don't know still, you know. But they need to figure it out, you feel what I'm saying? No, this is not called blackmail. This is called a service. Yes. This is my service fee to suppress a story, you know what I mean? This is not blackmail or rascal. You see me, I said this is a service fee. You know what I mean? Oh, at 25 at the limit? Well, them need to send that blood clot about 3-4 times. You see me, I said send it 3 times in a one, you know, and 3 times in the next one. and just send the rest by a blood clot morning. You see me? I say, Lisa, we think we're around prone with them blood clot people there today, you see me? But I send on the fucking money or blood clot that me. I tell them in a ramp prone, we don't know. See me? I say, yo, you think I'm joking, B? I'm dead serious. If I not see the money by the time me ready for drop that story there. You know what I'm gonna do? Nah, fuck that shit. Me done giving enough time already. I'm moving a blood clot. I'm go on like saying I'm not see what me and say. I don't know, follow me, you know. You know what I mean? I'm dead serious, people. This shit is not alleged, you feel me? I got 28 documents. You know, this document led me to a next document. This document led me to this document. You know? This document led me to this somebody, then this somebody, then this somebody. Yo, people, you ever watch these crime shows with these police officers? How they investigate people like kingpins? They put the kingpin like John Gotti on the top. Then under John Gotti is like his underboss. Then under the underboss, you got the capos. Then under the capos, you got the street salt. Yo, I summon of the blood clot documents on the wall, people. Yo, son. I summon of the blood clot documents on the fucking wall, yo. I'm dead serious, you know what I mean? You know I investigate companies for fraud, people. I investigate companies for fraud. I'm a financial advisor. I know managerial accounting. Fuck that financial shit. That's easy work. Accounts receivable, account payables, you know? We're gonna make the ledger fucking balance out. That shit is easy, you know what I mean? I do managerial accounting. You know what the fuck managerial accounting is? That's the shit that sends motherfuckers to the hospital or getting a heart attack because they don't know how to do the fucking test. You feel what I'm saying? I investigate companies like SEC companies with the stock market for fraud. So them little blood clot, little scammer people can't put nothing over my head, you know. Them little scamming thing, them little illiterate blood clot on fucking coconut, them a deal with that. Hey, listen me, a rascal. It was so easy to people. You don't even know. People are 28 blood clot documents, you know. Papa, come on, man, my nigga. You know I don't eat pussy, my nigga. You know I don't eat pussy. You see me? I said, every girl that want to get them pussy in your mouth, yeah, so you know I send them to you, my nigga. You know my mouth is a virgin. You feel what I'm saying? I mean, you know I don't eat things with 2 legs, 4 legs, and tail and all of these rascal things. You see me? I say, you know I don't eat land creatures. You know that, my nigga. Me not yam land creature, me not land sea creature. You see me? I say, you know, stop it, my nigga. Stop it. Boy, ladies, if you know you want to get your pussy in your minute there, yeah, just hit my nigga up, man, Papa. That nigga swiping pussy like he's swiping credit cards. You feel what I'm saying? Listen, man, I say, yes. But enough about the PPP loan business. You see me, I say. Somebody said I'm boring, but I wasn't here to entertain you. You see me, I say. Walla block, you see me, I say. Me not there so for entertain nobody a blood clot. Me there so for entertain myself. Feel me? Me not there so for entertain me. They say me is a professional entertainer. Man. Well, a blood clot block. Now not time for entertain me, you see me? Boring. Move your blood clot. A people business you want blood clot, no. People business on a blood clot, I want to know, you know. Yeah, I blocked the bitch. You see me, I said. Me not in a joking mood right now. People remember, say, me not smoke no herbs this morning, you know. I know I'm a very ignorant nigga. And I'm not illiterate. Yes, because you know when you're illiterate, you're very ignorant, you know what I mean? I'm an ignorant motherfucker, you know what I mean? Me not run joke with people, me not know. You see me, I say. Yeah, because I'm not a funny nigga, you feel me? I'm a serious motherfucker, you know what I mean? People, I think I'm gonna end this live though, you know? That bitch just made me feel boring. Yo, son. I bet you said a girl in my DM right now, oh, you a bitch ass nigga, you're so insecure. Yo, that's how they deal with me all the time, you know? That's how they deal with me all the time. Oh, you bitch, why the fuck you blocked me? You feel what I'm saying? Yo, son, I swear to you, people. I swear to you. If they're not dissing me, they are apologizing to me. Like, please unblock me, you know? I didn't mean to. Yo, son. You entertaining, not even trying to be. That's what I'm saying, brown sugar, you know. I'm not acting, people. This is really me in real life, you feel what I'm saying? This is really me in real life. So naturally, when I came on social media and I seen I got the motherfuckers hooked, I was like, yo, I cakewalk this. You see me? I said, social media, I might play a grown, you feel me? There's a bunch of sucker ass niggas out here running the place, you know? But you got real motherfuckers like me that just don't want to be in the spotlight, you feel what I'm saying? But this is me in real life. I bring the vibes everywhere I go. That's why my niggas like me to go to the studio with them, you feel what I'm saying? Because them know, so when King mix up in the studio, some rascal jokes and some rascal lyrics, I gotta get distributed and the nigga can spark an idea and go into the, you know, go into the lab and spit a hot 9, you feel what I'm saying? Or a 16, you see me? And so, King mix up are the best. They broke the mold when they made you. Nah, I tell you. You don't want to be funny after you know about it, boy. That me I tell them in a run joke, you know. True, I know everybody loves spotlight. Yeah, for real, I'm dead serious. I don't like the spotlight. You know, when I go up in the club, you know, niggas is putting fucking bottles of champagne in my feet. I don't even like that shit, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't even like that shit. You stay in the front with the champagne. I'm gonna stay against the wall, you feel me? Whenever the video man coming at any blood clot party, I always put a big piece of flyer in front of my ass clot face, you know? And wave off the video man for move from that side. Yeah, you see me? I say, I try to get bad man from blood clot DVD and all of these ass clot things. You see me? I say, I don't like the spotlight, you know? I didn't even know I was this popular on social media till these motherfuckers started blocking me. Like, I didn't think these people had time for people like me, you know what I mean? I said, but me a star boy, you see, man, these people ain't got nothing on me. I'm sucking no mama. Feel I'm saying? You hate the video like too, you know? Yo, you want to see me I move like blood clot rats. Sometimes the video man them cheeky, you know? I want to come catch people on a side view and all them thing there. Hey, you want to see me dart from this out to this blood clot, hey. What's the Instagram that has the info on apple salts? Oh, yo, on the page, yo, that page doing them dirty, yo. That page doing all them fucking New York scammers dirty, you know? But that's a good question. Let me see if the person got up anything. You know what I mean? Hold on, let me check. Let me see if the page have up anything new. How the fuck you spell the people their name again? Oh, okay, yeah, this way. Nah, don't look like them wake up yet, you know? Don't look like them wake up yet. But the page calls Apple Poison Apple. Yo, this page got some page. Okay, this is what the page said about somebody else. It says, Dancehall NYC drug trafficking couple update. Longtime dancehall party goer Gigi from the Bronx, real name Giovanni Brooks Dennis, who is smart and educated, making over 100,000 a year working for Assembly Speaker, but love the hype life and party. Man, them husband Sean use to things, aka Orlando Dennis, got 76 months prison sentence while she never changed and still working for the Assembly man. But she knew her husband was doing. She just greedy. What a licky gal. No charges against she, and she still keep her $100,000 job a year while the husband sitting in jail. At least she can shop. At least she can stop get bun and beaten. No more breaks, baby. Oh, and they said some more. Gigi is a smart girl, but she loved the hype man since way back in the days. Mac Unruly selector from the Bronx was the love of her life, and Popeye caution she used to give him money and buy him clothes, and he still didn't leave his flight attendant wife. Dancehall. Oh, what you ask? I don't even want to say that name because, well, fuck it. They says dancehall queen Nikki. I don't know if that's the current dancehall queen Nikki, but nevertheless. Oh, no. Dancehall queen Gigi nearly mad, and she pick up this bossy Brock delivery driver and look, him tarnish your name. You married him, help him, and what he does, he use you woman like crazy. Dancehall laughing at you right now. Yo, this page is going in on motherfuckers. You feel what I'm saying? I don't even want to say the page name because I don't want to go over this, so I'll make it disappear. You see me I'm saying? Yo, this page is going in on these people. Yo, them even have my girl Babette up there, blood clot. Cha-cha. Brooklyn scammer Jeezy Mueller, a.k.a. Dejan, starts his sentence in Brooklyn facility for 24 months. Yo, that page I know heavy bomber clap body business. Yo, me square pink wall this, you know. Yo, that page I move like pink wall or rascal. People, don't put the name in the comment section because I don't want them to get rid of this page, man. This page is like one of my sources. You feel me? Don't put the name. If you put the name in the comment section, my black one. Yo, this page got everybody, man. Yo, look at this. Brixiana so dangerous. Comment all upon the girl pic and taking her baby father from January. She's sleeping down the whole place. From blank. All IG name them people your blood club post, you know. Yo, son. Which one had me rolling? One of these posts had me rolling. Oh, okay, yeah. Some nigga got robbed. Hold on, let me see, sir. How are you going, sir? Sex video this? Get the fuck out of here. I won't me never see that post here. The definition of going out, sad, shaking my head. Dude walks in on pregnant girlfriend. Oh, this must be some other shit. Hold on. Sorry about that, people. Somebody got robbed, and somebody in the comment section said, I lie, yeah, tell. And the page said, excuse me, my friend was the one that robbed them. They sent me more my pussy clot. Yo, son, my mama pussy clot or ass clot. Yo, son, nah, people, I don't want them to make this page disappear. If you want the page, people, the page is private. It has 338 followers. You feel what I'm saying? Obviously, the page is selective of who they accept. You know what I mean? We put the page in the comment section yesterday. You feel me? All who was here yesterday, and I told y'all to screenshot the page name. Here's me answer. Yo, tell me the page, cause you know, you own the page. Yo, I don't know these people. Yo, people, let's get one thing straight around here. I deal with dancehall business. You see, like Popcaan, you know what I mean? And Vibes Cartel and Maka Diamond. And I deal with dancehall business. These street business I don't deal with. This is some next level shit, you feel? I'm saying this is not dancehall business. I don't deal with street business on social media, you know? But I sure as hell like to read up on the street business, you feel I'm saying? I don't know these people, you know what I mean? I don't know these people, you know? Oh, this one is funny. Uptown Bronx Pimps and Hookers Edition. What the fuck? Yo, people. These two so-called couple of the Bronx, IG name blank and blank, is living one big nasty lie in life. Nordisha, him in another man what? Nadisha caught him in another man's DM. He's a down low, but she took him back because he promised her clothes. But she have a scammer man in Brooklyn. She fucking so you sleeping with a man you know is gay for designer clothes. Boy, if me never see the picture, me think a apple salt and a blood clot, you know? You know she sleep with every fucking thing that move for her ass clot designer bag. You see me answer? And to pay your card note, he's scamming and still running taxi on 225. What's 225? People, what's 225? Putting on a comment section. And trying to fuck everybody in dancehall. And you say you a good girl. Nadisha, you sick stomach. Nothing about you hot. Fucking a gay nigga for years. This is sickening. Yo, son. Oh, 225th Street. Okay. 225th Street. Oh, okay. 225th Wi-Fi. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know what the fuck they were. 225. Yeah, okay. Yo. Okay, I'm just gonna read one more, people. Oh, people, this live is going to end in 2 minutes anyway, so I might as well just read out some things for 2 minutes. Okay, Brooklyn artist / baby scammer Jeezy. Oh, I read this one already. Is calling... Alexis Sky reached a Ross Club page. You see me answer? Brooklyn artist / baby scammer Jeezy Mula, who is the boyfriend to Alexis Sky friend, her friend, Dolly, is calling her about her hoe antics and keeping his name out her mouth. Well, it seems to me Dolly has some explaining to do, because how does he know all of this information about your friend? Bumbleclad people. No well one know the page near me. Uptown Bronx Scandal and Baga. New hoe. What a blood clot. New hoe on the scene. Javanalini, who fucked down the whole Jamaica, is now fucking down the whole Bronx and Queens, and party promoters and get money scammers was fucking Lex, who flex. And cousins were mad. Yo, this one too baga. I have to read this one by myself, people. No, some my God, you know. Yo, people business nice, you know. Which Dolly? I'm not sure which Dolly, man. I don't even know. This is street business. It's not even dancehall business, you know. You've been following that page since it's up. Yes. We don't want to blow the page up, you know what I mean? It's a members only page, people. It's a members only page. You feel what I'm saying?